dragging that across a gym or a car park. I've seen various training techniques. So next up we've got Terry Harrison, big Terry Harrison, stands 6'7" as well. I think around about 124 kilograms when I was speaking to him earlier. Got that right. So be watching Terry's training as well on Instagram. Really big guy as well. Can use that advantage using those long legs there to really stretch back. He's there to give him an advantage. You'll see he's getting his right back as well, so making sure he's getting full motion out of that 6'7" frame. And this is looking pretty quick to me. If he can keep it moving to that finishing line, this is a cracking time. Got to be a podium threat that from big Terry Harrison. Round of applause. And it does seem that his 6'7" frame held there. He really got it going, got it moving really quickly. Remember this big Terry Harrison, 6'7" local lad as well. Various regional local competitions as well. Took those titles over the year. Back to training again as well. I think he's elected for rock climbing shoes as well. And I'm looking at him quite flexible. See if that helps with the grip, so just leaning into it. After a lot of the athletes as well like to lean into it, just feel that weight, just get used to it. So we'll see if that big, tall frame is going to benefit Terry here. So as you can see, he's getting that rope tall, just getting over that initial inertia as well, the 30-ton pulling on your back. And then it can stride out. Let's see if he can keep that momentum. He's up on his tiptoes at the moment. Drive forward. And his point is now to get into his stride. Come on. Good run. Good for 46 seconds.
That's it, Terry. Keep this going. It's going to be good. Keep it going. Come on.
This is looking quick to me. That could be a winner across the course. We'll soon find out. That's a quick run. Round of applause there for Terry Harrison. That looks dangerous. That time looks really good to me. I'll verify the time. That looks really quick from where I was standing. Clements up next. And without further ado, announcing the Lincolnshire Truck Pull Championship champion of 2023, Terry Harrison! Thank you for all your support, guys. We will be getting group photos now as well. We're getting a couple of group photos. I know you've heard me say this a lot throughout the day, but I want to thank every single one of your competitors and supporters, family, friends who've turned up today and made today what today is, the sponsors and the charities and the funds that you've raised for some really worthy causes as well. And of course to Dave Johnson, I can't say enough about Dave organising and putting today on. Grab your photos now. Now is your chance. Do tag Man Be Strongman Events on in Facebook, at Man Be Strong Instagram. We love to see your photos and different angles and perspectives. We'll share them as well. Want to close today to thank you all. Have a safe journey home, and we'll see you here next year.